IELTS speaking. Tips. Same question, different band scores. Do you have any hobbies? Band 5 answer.
Yes, I like listening music and watching TV in my free time. I think it helps me relax after work.
Why is this a band 5? Fluency and coherence. Simple ideas with some hesitation. Lacks linking devices. Lexical resource. Basic vocabulary. Listening music. Help me relax. Grammar. Frequent errors. Listening music. Should be listening to music. Pronunciation. Understandable, but with occasional mispronunciations. Typical of a band 5. Limited control of grammar and vocabulary. Ideas are clear, but not well developed. 7.5 answer.
Yes, I really enjoy playing guitar and hiking on weekends. Playing music helps me express my emotions, while hiking gives me a chance to clear my mind and stay fit.
Why is this a band 7.5? Fluency and coherence. Fluent and organized answer with supporting ideas. Lexical resource. Uses expressive language. Express my emotions. Clear my mind. Grammar. Minor errors possible, but mostly accurate. Pronunciation. Clear and natural rhythm and intonation. Typical of a band 7.5. Good range of vocabulary and control. Well organized and natural delivery. Band 9 answer.
Absolutely. I'm passionate about photography and playing the piano. Photography allows me to capture moments and see beauty in everyday life, while playing the piano helps me unwind and stay creative after a long day.
Why is this a band 9? Fluency and coherence. Effortlessly fluent with well-developed ideas. Lexical resource. Sophisticated vocabulary. Capture moments. See beauty in everyday life. Unwind. Grammar. Perfect accuracy and complex structures used naturally. Pronunciation. Effortless, native-like rhythm, stress, and intonation. Typical of a band 9. Fully natural, nuanced, and expressive communication. Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks.
Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.